The Clarke IG1200D 1.1 kilowatt inverter generator is a light in weight, low noise generator with pure Sinewave technology. The IG1200D is ideal for providing a ready source of electrical power when you're out and about. If you're a camper, caravaner, boater or market stall holder, you will find this compact and reliable generator ideal. The pure Sinewave technology of the IG1200D ensures the delivery of clean and stable power, which is vital when running sensitive electrical and electronic equipment, such as TVs, computers and laptops. Where an earth spike is available, it should be connected to the earth connection on the generator's front panel. To add to its overall ergonomics and appearance, the generator is housed in a stylish case with rubber feet, which has the additional benefit of reducing noise levels to 60 dBA. The Easy Start fully Euro 5 compliant 4-stroke petrol engine has an eco throttle system, which helps to improve fuel efficiency and reduce running costs. Rated at a constant 1000 watts with 1100 watts available at peak, the 2.1 litre fuel tank will keep this generator running for 5.3 hours at 3/4 load, and the inverter circuitry will automatically cut out if overloaded. The quiet running IG1200D is ideal for emergency backup in power cuts. It has a standard 230-volt AC 13-amp 3-pin socket, as well as a 4-amp 12-volt socket, which can be used for battery charging or for powering 12-volt devices. With a noise level of only 60 dBA at 7 meters quarter load, the IG1200D is the ideal 1.1 kilowatt generator for all outdoor activities.